Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can blur faces in Capcut. Once you have opened your Capcut project and then import your video from here. After import and then just select the image. Next on the top left corner here you can see effect. Just click on this and now here just click on video effect. Now go to the lens. Just click on this. Now scroll down. And here you will find out the blur, this blur. Just click and hold and drag it and place it here. Now on the second step, go to the media, click on this. Now again just click the video and drag it and place it on the above of the video. Now select on the video and on the top right corner make sure video tab is activated. And then just click video. And here you can see mask. Just click on this mask. Now select circle. Click on this and drag it here. And now you can position it. Okay. And then go again here. And here you can see reverse. This is the reverse option. Just click on this. Now it will be reversed. Now let's play. So this is how you can blur faces in Capcut. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.